Hi, welcome back. And in this lecture, we're going to create a Docker file to automate everything that we just done there in our previous file. So on the Docker website, there's some useful information about the format of a Docker file. First of all, we have to create a Docker file, touch Docker file, and then these are some of the instructions you can put into that Docker file. You specify oh, where the image is coming from, and then when inside the image you're telling it what to do, what directory to go to, copy, run certain commands, uh, open up certain ports or whatever it is you need done for your particular project. So let's come back to our application server and let's exit our container. So we're now on the server itself. Um, okay, so the first thing we need to do is vi docker file, and what was it we done in the last video manually? Well, we created a container from so our Tomcat image. So from Tomcat latest, oops, we need. Okay, so we're specifying the image that we're using, and then we specify uh, in our current directory, which is the EC2 user directory of our application server. We want to copy web app web app dot var, and we want to copy that to user slash local slash tomcat slash web apps. Okay, so um, this Docker file knows from here we've already specified the Tomcat image, so it knows to copy it into that folder of the image that exists. So that is placing our .var file in the web apps directory tom in our Tomcat image. So we need to run cp recursive user local tomcat web apps dot dist slash star slash user slash local slash tomcat slash web apps. Okay, so that is our Docker file should be completed there. Copy web.var, user local web apps. Just looking over at Tomcat. Okay, yes, that looks okay. Okay, so now we have to build our custom image from this. So sudo docker build and specify the name of the image, and we're going to use the Docker file located in the current folder. So run. Okay, so that looks like it's worked. So if I go Docker images, we can see that our custom image has been created. So Docker ps, our Tomcat container still exists. So we're going to go Docker stop Tomcat container, and now we're going to get remove that container. Tomcat container Docker. Yes. Okay. So no containers. That's going to do for this video. Come back and we'll complete this in our next video.